Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, obviously, by the title of this video, you already know what we're doing. We're doing the May Boxycharm box. So I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you want to see what I got. So let's go ahead and get started. She's a good one, okay? This month's box theme is Boxycharm Flourish, which is so perfect for May Day, for Mother's Day, for spring. It's just literally perfect, which I mean, that's obviously why they did it.
Yeah, Chanel.
But so cute. So the first item in our box, which I was so friggin' excited about when I saw it in here, is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I love First Aid Beauty. I haven't used a lot of their products, but the few products that I have used, I've absolutely loved. This is their moisturizer. I put it on before I did my foundation, and I actually put it on as soon as I got my box because I was so interested in seeing what it was like. And this literally makes my face feel so freaking moisturized. It's never felt so soft. It has a sheen to it as well, so it really makes you glow, which would be nice in the summer. If you just want to throw this on and go out the door, you have just a really natural glow to you, which is really pretty. It is formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone and long lasting makeup when used as a prep step. So I'm really looking forward to continuing using this, and the MSRP on this was $30. Next, moving into something I'm really excited about. I've seen this everywhere. I just honestly haven't picked it up myself, but it is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. So on this end, you get obviously the applicator. It's kind of just like the sharp.
I always say sharp. It's not fucking sharp.
It's just like the Tarte Shape Tape applicator. And then on the other end, you get a cool little blending sponge, which could be handy. So I'm excited. I already did put concealer on, but I put a concealer on that really matches my skin, which I never really do. So I wanted to really see if this does do its job and brighten up those areas. An instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within, youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. I didn't even use the sponge. Ugh. But this looks so good. It definitely brightened up those areas, and it made it like not shimmery, just very glowy, and it looks like healthy. And I don't know, but I love this. Like, I think it looks so good. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell a difference or not, but I think it looks so pretty. I should have done one side first and then left the other side to compare them, but wow. Oh my god, I'm just glowing right now. Like, I'm glowing to the moon. Not mad about it though. It was so incredibly smooth and creamy going on, and it was way creamier in my opinion than Tarte Shape Tape going on. As we all know, Tarte Shape Tape can be a little drying, but I did really like this, and I'm happy I got this, and I am definitely keeping this in my makeup collection because it is so good. This MSRP is for $27, so exact same price as Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, and this is in the shade Dream, I guess. I don't know. Okay, we're back, and I just finished my complexion. I honestly didn't even need to add highlight from using the Tarte Glow Wand, but I obviously did because I'm Chanel and that's what I do. Now I'm gonna go in with our next product, and it is the Tressie Brow Pencil Plus Brow Gel. I don't know if this is gonna work for me, honestly, because it's in the shade Mocha, and that is way lighter than what I like my eyebrows, but it's kind of cool because you take off this little end and you get the brow pencil, but then at the other end you untwirl this and you have brow gel. That is genius. Like, I love the idea of it. I just don't know if it's the right color for me. This is really cool too because it's refillable, so I'm assuming you can buy more products of this and then just refill it and not have to buy a whole new thing. I've never really seen a makeup product like that, so I'm really excited to use this. Let's dig into her and see what she's got. I have got a Tressie product in my Boxycharm box before. It was like, I think a contour stick, a blush stick, and then like a highlight stick, and I ended up giving it to my cousins because I wasn't the biggest fan of them. So let's see what these can do for us. The Super Slick 2-in-1 Brow Pencil is 100% refillable. Keep your forever case and refill your brow pencil and gel to your heart's content. For the materials to the packaging, everything was developed through a lens of sustainability, better for you and the planet. The brow pencil also features a triangle-shaped tip to define brows, while the flexible tinted gel on the other end grooms and sets. It's everything you need for natural looking, perfectly sculpted brows. Okay guys, I'm like honestly impressed with this. It's not the fullest looking brow that I like it's not as dark as what I like, but I actually am not mad about it. Like, I think it would look really good for like just my no foundation makeup days, and I haven't even used the brow gel yet. And it was honestly so creamy and just literally like glided on the skin like butter. Like, I hardly even had to push, and it was honestly really nice. I'm super impressed. I'm a little scared at this because this looks literally chocolate brown. This actually did turn out looking like black on my eyebrows. So let's see what this does. Okay, I don't know if it's just the lighting or if this is really turning out how, oh, I think the camera is showing it brown. But the lighting makes it not look brown. Like, the lighting that I'm in makes it look like they're still black. But if I look on camera, they look like they're brown. I don't know, it's tricky. I will have to like see after I get out of this lighting, but if they hold up the way that I think they are, I actually really like this product. Like, I don't think it looks bad at all on me. I mean, there is a chunk right here, but this was so incredibly easy to work with, and I think my brows look so good. Just very natural for me, which I would like on more natural makeup days. So yeah, I'm a fan of this if this turns out. And even if it doesn't, this is refillable like I mentioned, so I can order like the black shade or whatever, and that would work for me better. But honestly, I think this works for me. And this was $26 for a brow pencil and a gel. That's really good, and you get to keep this and just refill it. 10 out of 10. Next we have the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Tint maybe, or Tynt, T-Y-N-T. It's the Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. This is in the shade black, which is good. This is kind of cool. It's like a little ombre effect. It has like a really nice looking tip to it, which I feel like is gonna be really good. I'm excited. I don't ever really use these, but we're going to today achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feather edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or beauty sponge. This firm yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wing. Okay, those are looking crazy. I don't know if I want to smudge it or not. Like, I'm just not really into like smudged liner and stuff, but as far as like just making a wing with it, it was creamy. It's one of those things where like the end gets really like not pointed really fast. I don't really know how to say that. The end gets unpointed really fast when you're working with it, so you get kind of like bigger chunks and stuff, and you can't get as precise like wings. It does kind of get stuck in some places. Not too bad though, so just keep that in mind when you're doing it. I guess we can take a brush and maybe smudge it a little bit. It is pretty easy to smudge. I realize now that what I actually should have done is just use this and put it on like my actual line and then smudge it out to a wing instead of drawing on a wing and trying to smudge it out. I think that would have worked better, and I think that's what it's for. But I already did this and I'm not taking it off to do it over. And I actually don't think these look bad. Like, they're very like dramatic for me. I don't really do wings, but I actually don't think they look bad. They're pretty cute, honestly. It reminds me of the whole foxy eye trend, which that was almost a year ago. That was a year ago. So that's fun. And this little smudger eyeliner was $18. Okay, we are back and I am just feeling literally the glowiest I've ever been in my life. I'm starting to think maybe this is a little too much, or I just added too much, but I also didn't set my face with powder either, so that could be it too. I'll just have to play with this and really see how I end up liking it. I do like it, I just think I went too heavy and added too much, but you know, all I'm doing is mowing my lawn after this, so I ain't got nothing to worry about it, you know? And so our last product in here is a skincare product. It is the Hey Honey Come Clean Propolis and Mineral Facial Scrub. It says it purifies and exfoliates with dissolving salt, crystalline minerals. Looks pretty cool. I've been really into skincare lately, so I'm excited about this. A rich exfoliating Dead Sea salt scrub designed to be gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. Dead Sea crystalline beads buff away dead skin cells, rehydrate the skin, and restore depleted minerals. The result, clearer, smoother, and brighter skin. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I'll have to use this tonight and let you guys know what I think. It says gently massage product into clean skin, gradually add water until all mineral crystals are fully dissolved. Massage the resulting lotion into the skin for 1 minute. Rinse with warm water for all skin types. So that's exciting. I do have pretty sensitive skin, so I do break out to a lot of stuff clearly. And this was $29. So let's add up the total of our box. So first we had the First Aid Beauty Priming Moisturizer, which was $30. Then we had the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, which was $27. Then we had the Tressie Brow Pencil Plus Gel, which was $26. And then we had the Untitled Beauty Haze Smokey Eye Pencil, which was $18. Plus the Hey Honey Facial Scrub, which was $29, which equals $130. So not too shabby this month. I'd say overall it's a really good box. I am so far obsessed with these products. I can't wait to keep using them. This I'll have to really work at and just do differently next time. And I'm always excited to try new skincare out, so really excited about this. If you got any of these products in your box, leave a comment down below. I want to know how you guys feel about them. What are your thoughts? If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show some love and help support my channel. I really appreciate everyone that does that for me. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh, gosh. Gotta make the world smile. Why do I always do that? I don't know why I always do that. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Why can't I talk? My hair is crazy. Glow to the moon. I'm glowing to the freaking moon. The UFOs are gonna be like, what the heck is down there mowing that lawn? Shanelle, bitch. These eye creases in my eye are driving me crazy. Let's do a thumbnail. Oh, no. I gotta do an intro. Quit forgetting your damn intro, Shanelle. Good lord.